This is Emma.
She does not take care of her garden.
She often ignores the plants. She never waters them on time. Her garden is slowly becoming messy. She doesn't seem to care.
What a quiet place. Everything looks the same here. I don't feel excited at all. Nothing interesting ever happens here. I'm already bored. I'm so hungry right now. I'll just eat here in the garden. No need to go inside the house. This place is fine for relaxing. I just want to enjoy my food. This tastes really good. I don't feel like moving right now. I'll just leave it here for now. Cleaning is not my problem today. Nothing will happen anyway. This garden is so useless. Why do people even care about plants? It's just dirt and grass anyway. I don't feel like respecting this place. Everything here is so boring. Let me check my phone quickly. Everything looks fine to me. It's just a small mess anyway. People worry too much about these things. I'll clean it later, maybe. Right now I don't care. This garden is already ruined anyway. Nothing good is left here. I don't care what happens now. It's just dirt. Why should I respect this place? I'll do whatever I want. These flowers look so soft.
Whee! Take that! So fun. All gone!
This garden is already ruined anyway. Nothing good is left here. I haven't watered these plants in days. They can survive on their own. I don't have time for this. Taking care of a garden is too much work. It's not that they ignore it.
Emma never takes care of her garden. She ignores the plants every day. She never waters them. She lets everything fall apart.
It's not my problem anymore. I don't feel like fixing this.
Now Emma begins to see the damage. Her garden is no longer healthy. Her actions have changed everything. The beauty is slowly fading away.
Why does everything look so bad now?
Emma finally understands her mistake. She realizes she ignored what needed care. The garden suffered because of her actions. But it is not too late to change.
I didn't take care of anything.
This is Lucy. She loves plants and nature very much. She takes care of every flower in her garden. This keeps the garden alive.
Every morning, Lucy visits her garden. She loves every plant deeply. Her day begins with nature.
Good morning, my beautiful garden. Let's take care of you.
Good morning, my little plants. Time for your water. Stay healthy and strong. I will take care of you. Let's grow beautifully together. You look so fresh today. I'm proud of how you're growing. Let me check every leaf carefully. I'll always take care of you. Stay happy and healthy. Let's clean this little area. Everything should stay neat and healthy. I don't want any harm to these plants. A clean garden grows better. You deserve the best care. I'm planting something new today. Grow into something beautiful. I will take care of you every day. You are safe in this soil. Let's grow together happily. I'm planting more trees today. Each plant makes our world better. I will take care of them daily. They will grow strong and healthy. You should also plant more trees. Very good for our environment.
I never spit in my garden. I keep it clean by using the recycling bin. The banana peel goes on the bench for compost. A clean garden is a happy garden.
I'm done eating. Now I should clean my space. Garbage should never stay in nature. I will throw it in the bin. Good habits make a better world. There you go. All clean now. Looking beautiful. With flowers. I never break flowers. I must protect them, not harm them. I will never break anything in my garden. Take care of nature every day. Small efforts make big changes. Be kind to every plant. Let's protect our environment together. See you in the next video. If you want, I can make a video for you too. Tell me your favorite topic. I will create a story about it. We can learn and have fun together.